Hello, beautiful unicorns, and welcome back to my channel and this hashtag Throwback Thursday with this TBT with this palette from Juvias. This is the Nubian 2. This was the second palette that came out by Juvias, and I actually bought this quite recently, so this is actually the first time I'm using this palette. And so for me it's a first impression, but for you it's a Throwback Thursday because it is a bit of an older palette, especially in like makeup terms, because it's like a year and a half old, and that's like ages millenniums in like the makeup world. And I do have this series on my channel because I want to, shop my stash and bring out palettes that I haven't used in a while, or that was really hyped before, or that people used to love and use but then they just stopped. But that doesn't mean that we don't still own the palettes, that we as consumers bought the palettes, own the palettes, love the palettes, and still want to see it used. So that's what this series is about. And for me, this wasn't a throwback, but I'm guessing that for a lot of you, this was a throwback. So I did this purpley red crease with a green and a gold on the lid, and I am really liking this. I think it's really fun, and I will always leave a poll up here in the corner where I'm doing this series where you can vote on what palette you would like me to use next time. And if there's a palette that you know that I own that you think should be here in the poll, you can always let me know in the comments. But let's get into the look. Okay, so here's the palette, and I've actually only swatched this palette, and I haven't created any looks with it because I've been waiting for this video, and I've been so swamped. But I was so excited to play with this today because I want to play with this one, the purpley matte, and I want to play with this green, and I'm really interested in this gold. Maybe I want to do, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start out with the Morocco one and then Jezebel in the crease, and we'll just see what happens from there. So I got something really purple going on, and I'm gonna switch brushes into something more detailed. This is the Sigma Small Taper Blending E45, which is also a really good detail brush. I had a brush video, and if you search my channel you will find a brush video where I mentioned some detail brushes, and this one is also a really good detail brush. I'm gonna use this Jezebel now with this smaller brush, and I'm gonna put that more detail in the crease all the way from the outer part to the inner part. That's the plan. Ooh, picks up a lot of color. That is some pigment. Ooh, hello. Oh, that is so pretty. So I'm almost gonna turn this into a haywire, but not like the traditional way. So I'm just gonna deepen up the crease to begin with, and I'll show you what I mean. This is like a different kind of hairline. Maybe this is even an easier way to do an hairline. Just deepen up your crease from the inner part to the outer part. And this detail brush really does help because it's so tapered, it really gets into the crease. And then you can just open your eyes and just run it back and forth. So now that I've gotten this far, I am gonna take this Egypt, which is the shimmery, like more metallic green, and I'm just gonna take a pencil brush, which is a dense and good brush for something like this, because I want to put this in the, like on the lid, in the outer corner and the inner corner. So not in the crease, just the lid, and I'm leaving the middle bare. But this is easier with like shimmery shadows because you can just start by just slapping them on. Once we've gotten this far, I'm taking a bit more of that purple and I'm blending that in the edge to just blend this a bit, because I don't want the green to be in the crease. So now I'm getting this far, I'm going to clean the brush on my Veramona color switch so I get the green off, and I'm going into, stop it, behave. And I'm going to go into this Nairobi instead, and I'm going to put that in the middle to connect the two greens, so to speak. Ooh, that picked up a lot. Maybe I'm gonna spray this a bit just to get this to be extra. And when I've gotten it on, I'm just gently dotting with this brush at the edges where it's meeting the other colors. Not to blend it, but just to make it somewhat seamlessly go into the other colors. It's really easy to blend two shimmers together. Just have to dot the edges. And now it's looking like that. I'm gonna do the other eye as well. So I'm gonna go in with the orange Morocco and then Jezebel on the lower lash line as well. Starting out with the orange Morocco just to like smoke this out. And now on a flat defining brush, I am taking Jezebel and I am putting that closest to the lower lash line just to bring the purple under the eye as well. So, and then it's the final step on my eyeshadow. I'm taking Suri, which is this like a pale champagne gold metallic, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corners. Just a little bit. So that is the finished look. I am gonna put I think I'm gonna put black on my waterline, and I'm also gonna do a little bit of liner and some mascara, and I'll come back and show you the look without the lashes before I put those on so you can see how it looks. So that is the finished look if I'm just wearing mascara, and I'm really liking this. I'm liking the peak of yellow. I am gonna put some lashes on though because I really do love lashes, and I feel like a dramatic look like this does come, what was that? I saw some makeup. Does like come to life, like it's being perfected with some lashes. That's my personal experience though. You do not have to wear lashes. If you do not want to, then it will look like this, probably with better lashes than what I have. I will also try and find a lippy to match, so I'll be right back. So this is the look with lashes, and I'm really liking this like reddish purpley green gold thing. I am gonna use a lippy from Ofra. This is Rio, and it's like a warm peachy nude, and I thought that that would be good not only with this look but with my nails and the slight self tanner I have left, and also the top that I have on. So I just love the Ofra lippies. I like this fun lippy with it. It's like a peach, almost neon-y nudie peach, and I think this is fun. It's fun and it's unexpected, and I haven't had enough reasons to use this Rio, and I actually bought this with my own money and I'm really happy with it. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Have I told you? I don't think I've told you. You know, I have gotten some PR from Your Vanity before. Your Vanity is a European store for makeup online, and it's an online store for makeup. And they have like Ofra, like this one. I bought this from Your Vanity. They also have fun brands like Mellow, LA Splash, BH Cosmetics, and they have given me a discount code. The code is Angelica, and I will put it down below so you can get 10% off all those brands here in Europe, because sometimes you want to buy American brands but in the European market so you can get cheaper shipping and, you know, don't have to pay for customs and stuff like that. And now we in Europe can get a bit of a discount as well. So yeah, I will leave that down below, and you don't have to use it if you don't want to, of course, but it is a bit of a discount code if you want to try, like, for example, Ofra, because I've been talking a lot about Ofra on my channel. It's because I love it. And that's the finished look with this palette. And yeah, I'm really liking it. I did have a beautiful blue in here as well that I want to try. I love having like a smoky crease with a blue like this on the lid. That is a beautiful way to do a smoky eye. Like, do the exact same crease as I did now, and then just put this blue all over the lid, and then just some inner corner highlight. You're gonna love that. That is a beautiful look as well. But I'm really happy with this look. Hubby is coming home in about 30 seconds, so I'm gonna quit filming for a bit, and I will see you in my next video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, the button is down below. I'd love to have you subscribed.